Trump's trade war isn't madness. It's the bluff of all bluffs.
So, are tariffs really helping the economy? I dug deep into this, and it's actually not what you think. Let me explain in 60 seconds. All right, so there are several angles you can look at the tariffs with. And it's obvious that in the short term, they have a negative impact because it's creating uncertainty, and our brains are wired to navigate uncertainty with fear in order to protect us. But there are longer term angles to consider compared to the short term reactions that we're seeing. Right now, the US has over $36 trillion in debt, and last year alone we spent $1 trillion just on interest. And this debt needs to be refinanced within the next 6 months. But refinancing at high interest rates is really expensive. So when tariffs are announced, markets react, stocks drop, crypto drops, and investors move their money into safer assets like the US Treasury bonds, which eventually makes it cheaper for the government to borrow, which means lower interest rates for them in order to refinance the debt. But this comes at the expense of a lot of investors losing money in the stock market. Although tariffs can be leveraged as a tool, they come with their own risks too. See, they can lead to higher prices for consumers, cause retaliations and trade wars, and inspire manufacturers to sell directly to the consumer like we're seeing from China on TikTok. Definitely an unexpected response, to say the least. Another angle is using the tariffs to bring manufacturing back to the US, which we just saw from Nvidia, stating they will invest $500 billion to build their chips in the US. However, other companies are just low tariff globe hopping. So, depending on how you look at it, this is either a bold strategy or a high risk, poorly calculated move with too many unforeseen consequences. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.